how to change the order of songs on a Spotify playlist without premium. So what you want to do, and you do not need premium to have this feature. So go to Spotify, and you want to go to your library at the bottom of the screen here. And you just want to click on playlist, and let's go ahead and select a playlist of mine. So I'm just going to click this one here. And you want to go where it says edit, and it has those three little bars there. So go ahead and click edit. And from this point, you want to stay away from the minus sign that's next to the album cover or the song thumbnail. You want to stay away from there, and you want to focus on the three bars or the three lines at the far right side. So go ahead and click and hold, and you'll be able to move it around anywhere you want, and you can go ahead and change the order of your songs on your playlist. It's very simple, very easy to do. Make sure you hit save at the top right-hand side, and that's it. The songs have changed the order, and you didn't need premium to do it.